Well, that's your boy E-Dub with the scat. Getting up on this wet morning. It's gonna be a rainy day today. But anyway, I'm about to take the car, go get the resonators taken off. I already did a muffler delete, and it sound good and everything, but I was chilling with a slime pack yesterday, and she told me, yo, what kind of exhaust work you did? I said, I just did a muffler delete. She was like, yo, you need to do that resonate, take the resonators off. So she listened to how mine sound, then I listened to how hers sound. Yeah, total difference. So I told her, yo, you know what I'm doing in the morning? Resonator delete. Yeah, but it sounds pretty good right now. I'm about to get ahead and do that cold start. You know, first thing in the morning, been wet. About to see what that thing sound like right quick. That thing growling. Yeah, y'all see it? Y'all subscribe to my YouTube. E-Dub with the scat. Scared. I'm about to head down to the muffler house, Lombard, North Carolina. Go check out my boy Terry, see what he gonna do. That man always come through for me. I've been dealing with him for years. I'll make another video for y'all. Y'all stay tuned.